Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs in a Hyundai Sonata. This essential maintenance task can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel economy. You will learn to tackle common issues such as rough idling or engine misfires, ensuring your Sonata runs smoothly. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to the final installation steps, making this a straightforward process for you. Let's get started and give your car the tune-up it deserves. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a 5/8" or 16mm spark plug socket, a ratchet, extensions, and a torque wrench. A 10mm socket is also necessary for coil bolts. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and damage. Start by carefully removing the engine cover, usually held by 4 push pins. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before proceeding with any electrical components. Now, let's move on to removing the old spark plugs. First, disconnect the wiring harness from each ignition coil by pulling back the small safety clip and then pressing the tab. Next, use your 10mm socket to remove the bolt securing each ignition coil. Gently twist and pull each coil straight up and out, keeping them in order for easy reinstallation. Before removing the plugs, blow away any dirt from the recesses. Finally, use your spark plug socket and extension to loosen and extract each old spark plug. With the old plugs out, it's time to install the new ones. Carefully thread each new spark plug into its cylinder by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once finger-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten them to 15 to 22 foot-pounds. Next, reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click firmly into place over the new plugs. Tighten the 10mm coil bolts to about 7.5 foot-pounds. Reconnect all wiring harnesses, then replace the engine cover. Finally, reconnect your battery and start your Sonata to confirm everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.